Kailasha Temple. Kailasha Temple is located at the caves of Ellora, India. Actual date of construction of this temple is unknown, but the inscription on the walls can be traced in the 8th century Common Era. This temple formed from a single rock excavated stone, carved started at the top of the rock and excavated downwards. This temple has the largest cantilevered rock ceiling in the world. The scale at which the work was undertaken is enormous. It entailed approx 400,000 tons of rock had been removed from this site. How did the people thousands of years ago using hammer and chisel to manage cut out this temple remain a mystery till today. Padmanabha Swami Temple. This temple is located at Trivandrum, Kerala and built in 6th century AD. Padmanabha Temple is the richest temple in the world. The principal deity Lord Vishnu is enshrined in the Ananda Shayana posture in this temple. Ancient gold coin and jewels worth $22 billion are stored in underground chambers. Only 5 out of 6 chambers have been opened till date. Chamber B in the temple is the most mysterious and remains unexplored. This chamber is sealed with iron door which have metal work to massive cobras on both sides, which means no entry to this vault. Also, it is claimed that this door can only be opened by a magic chant. People up here believe that opening this vault in any other way would bring some deadliest disaster. Veerbhadra Temple. This temple is located in Leppashi in Andhra Pradesh, built in 16th century. The architectural features of this temple is in Vijayanagara style. Also, here is a very large Nandi, mound of Lord Shiva, about 660 feet away from the temple, which is carved from a single block of stone. This temple have lots of pillars supporting to the roof. However, one corner pillar in the hall does not rest on the ground. In 1910 Common Era, a British engineer tried to uncover the secret of the hanging pillar. He managed to make a corner of the pillar touch the ground. What keeps this pillar hanging from the top is still remain as a mystery. Also, here is a large 3 feet footprint in the temple. A trickle of water flows into it from underground to keep it wet.